Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile back with another unboxing for you. And we've got a bag of goodies over here. You can probably hear it. I'm just gonna dump this out on the table and start unboxing it. All right, let's see what we got. Whoa, lots of cardboard boxes. I bought some Amazon basic cables, so I'm going to do a 3 DAC comparison video, and so I needed some cables for that. Come on, come out. There you go. Here you have an RCA cable. Now these are nice. This is Amazon Basics. I couldn't believe it. These are $10 now. I feel like I used to pay $6 for these, but not anymore. Let's see what we have in here. This is a little bigger box. I'm thinking, yeah, this is an optical splitter, right? Yep, this is going to be, I ordered an optical connection splitter so that I could run 3 DACs at the same time, and I do have an RCA splitter so that I could do 3 out from my source and then 3 DACs that go into an RCA splitter into one set of speakers to test the DAC, and this is going to be part of that system, and that's why I bought all this gear. This thing is like lighter and kind of chintzier than I thought it was going to be, especially for like it was like $20, but there it is. I've always had good luck with the JTech stuff, so I decided to go ahead and get that. Again, get in there. Forget you. See if there's anything else in here. Oh yeah, there is. Power. Forgot about that. So it probably needs power. This is lighter, so maybe it is... Like I open these, yeah. Here we have an optical cord. So I have 3 of these as well, because I already have one set of RCA and optical. So you're going to have more RCAs and optical cords in there. So this is a GaN power USB charger, and I've seen more channels talking about these. They're supposed to do better with charging your gear as well as provide a cleaner signal. Wow, that beast is heavy. This is on sale for $25 on Amazon, so I thought I'd just give it a shot. Looks like with the right cables, I could run 2 DACs out of it at the same time. So that's cool. So this was $25 on sale on Amazon. We'll see if it makes a difference. If not, I'll probably send it back. So thank you so much for watching this video. You will be seeing my upcoming DAC comparison video. That's the reason that I bought all this gear, so hopefully it'll work. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, be sure to check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee.